going to start with the fitted sheet. So once again, using the bed for just a little bit of support, I always find the shorter end of the sheet. So that would be the end that goes across this way or across the top, and just fold it over and get the corner part on the identical side of the sheet. Take it along like so, and then you're finding the other seam there, so we're putting both those ends together virtually. Give it a little shake out. Now remember, these have been in the dryer for just a little while to just fluff them up, and it's nice to do them when they're warm. It makes it easier. Now we're folding across the other way, and you've got a section of the sheet like that. Just straighten it up. You need to do a little bit of manipulating with it. So all of these gathered with ends with the elastic are now together. This is the shorter section. So bring the shorter section across to the wider section of the elasticized pieces, and now you've got that. So just flatten there, straighten it out a little bit. This is just for neatness. Fold it slightly, and then I just usually turn it like so and roll. So probably come in a little bit and then roll the elastic piece in and roll the sheet up tight. And we're done with the fitted sheet.